Finally done. And I forgot to put mascara on my lower lashes. Woo! Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little bit crazy right now because I don't have makeup on except for my eyebrows, and I have my eyelids primed. And that is because today I'm going to use the Street Taco palette from Glamlite for the first time. As you can tell, I have swatched it before. And the colors are really pretty, but I don't know how they work on the eyes yet, so we are going to find that out today. Something that I'm really bad at is picking colors to go together. And I want to do a colorful look because this is a very colorful palette. So what I'm going to do is use this little spinning wheel to randomly choose my colors, and we are going to make a look out of that. My friend Angel and I did this a while back, and I really liked the look that I came up with. Hopefully I can do something just as good this time. Let's stick with 5 colors and let's start picking. Ooh, what happened here? This started off as a very bright color scheme, and it darkened up a bit. We will see. I'm excited to see how this works out. So like I said before, my eyes are primed and my brows are on. They could use a little bit of touching up, but we'll take care of that later. So I'm going to start with Picante. My eyeshadow comfort zone is all about browns and oranges. So I'm just taking Picante into the crease, blending it in. I'm going to go above my crease, but not very high. I could always add more later, but I can't take it away. Next, I think I'm going to take Red Onion, a flat brush. Let's see how this works out. I haven't tried applying this with a brush yet, so yeah, it seems to work a lot better with my finger. Let's put this brush here. It doesn't have very much pigmentation. It has pigmentation, but it doesn't have that brightness that this does right here. On the eyes, you can't see it very well. I'm going to continue with the brush for now and just kind of map out where I want it to be. And then I'll go in with my finger and just tap on some more. I'm going to cover the center with some concealer here. I'm not worried about it being super clean. This time I'm applying it with a flat brush, and wow, the pigment is insane. I'm really impressed by that. That is really good. Okay, I'm gonna take Pico de Gallo on my finger, and I'm placing that on top of Picante. Just added some shimmer, but I'm definitely going to need to go in with Red Onions again to blend this together because right now it just looks really harsh. Maybe I'll try taking Carnitas. Let's see how this works. I'm worried about it darkening the everything here a bit too much, but we'll see. I'm just adding a little bit of Carnitas right in between Pico de Gallo and Red Onions. That kind of works. It kind of works. Still needs to be blended a bit more, but it is helping this harsh line in between quite a bit. And I'm taking the flat brush that I had Red Onions on, taking more Red Onions and just layering it and blending it with Carnitas. Gonna take a smaller fluffy brush here and take Carne Asada, put that right on the outer corner to help with depth. It's having some trouble blending over Red Onions, but it is working. It's just not as good as I had expected. Okay, I think we are going to stop here for now. Hold on, I need a cleaner brush. I'm just going to blend this corner a little bit because it looks like a little much. Okay. Hopefully you guys can like see what's going on because I'm having trouble seeing what's going on. But maybe it's just like not showing up right on my viewfinder. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna do this eye and my foundation and I'll be back. Wow, this has taken me a while to do. I am tired. On to eyeliner. I'm just going to use Physicians Formula's 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner and Serum. And then for my under eyes, I just used the same shades, of course. I used Picante towards the inner corner, red onions, and then right at the end, I used Carne Asada. Are you freaking kidding me? No, that never happened. Son of a... Okay, so now I have a dot of eyeliner right here. That's frustrating. Maybe I'll just put an extra dot right here and then we'll have matching ones. Great. This look is kind of Halloween-y, so maybe I will do that. At least they match. Alright, onto lashes. These are the taco lashes in the style Pollo. I'm so excited for these. I love them. Lashes are on. I haven't put on any mascara on the bottom yet. I'm not going to yet. I might later. I don't know. I have the Concha highlighter from Glamlite as well. It's very pretty. Just gonna put that in the usual areas. I'm taking it really lightly because it is really pigmented and I don't want to overdo the highlighter. Alright, finally on to lips. I have this lip color here, Churros from Glamlite. It's a liquid lipstick, very pretty. And I have two glosses. One is Agua Fresca, also from Glamlite. Here it is alone, and here it is on top of Churros. And then Champurrado. I don't know how to say it. It is more of a brown shade that also looks good on top of Churros. So I don't know what exactly to do. Just to keep it a little bit brighter, we're gonna go with this combination. So let's do that. Finally done. And I forgot to put mascara on my lower lashes. Woo! Oh, I will list all the products that I used down below, including the ones that I didn't show you guys, just in case you want to know. I'm really enjoying the eye look. I'm really happy with it. Up close, and I come up closer and close my eyes for you. Hopefully it doesn't look all messed up now. It could be more even. What you guys didn't see is that I messed up my foundation the first time. I was using a different one, but I mixed it with the wrong primer. And then I put two primers together that don't work because I need a mattifying one for my nose and then a smoothing one for my pores on my cheeks and stuff. They did not work out well. I had to take it all off, do my skincare all over again. It was a mess. So yeah, anyways, I'm really happy with the eye look. I love this palette. Building up some of the shimmers was difficult with a brush, but as soon as I went in with my fingers and just pat a little bit, it was super easy, no problem. This is a really fun Halloween type look, right? The orange goes with my shirt and the purple goes with my hair. This whole thing just came together. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Be nice to each other, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.